Trust us.
Gabriella, thank you so much. She's been such a fantastic ambassador for the Miss Universe brand.
We will crown the new Miss Universe just minutes from now. All right, the results are in.
Yes, so we want to welcome up Tal Gold envelope. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Tal. All right, you're holding the golden ticket there. No peeking. We will be right back, and we will crown the new Miss Universe.
You certainly will.
Stay tuned.
The 63rd Annual Miss Universe pageant.
Trump for his tremendous support and his vision.
Also a special thank you to Florida International University and to the city of Doral and their mayor, Luigi Boria, for his tireless efforts bringing the pageant right here to Doral, Miami.
Also, thank you to the Greater Miami Convention and Visitors Authority, Visit Florida, and Brand USA for their support and participation.
And finally, a very special thank you to La Linea Band, Prince Royce, Nick Jonas, Gavin DeGraw, and all of our wonderful judges.
Yes, and Jeannie Mai, who we adore, who did an amazing job of bringing us all the backstage excitement. And now it is on to the main event.
All right, we're very nervous here. The fourth runner-up is Jamaica. The second runner-up is Ukraine.
Okay, so we have 2 women left. USA and Colombia, please come over to the center of the stage. And as you step forward, let me remind you that one of you is about to become Miss Universe. So take a deep breath, make a mental imprint, because this is a very special moment in your lives, okay? Now, if for any reason the new Miss Universe cannot fulfill her duties, the first runner-up will take over. And Miss Universe is Colombia! This means the first runner-up is USA.
Congratulations to Colombia, our new Miss Universe.
I think she has a few fans in the house tonight.
A lot of fans here from
And I
Colombia.
know a lot of people cheering at home. Congratulations to Colombia and all of our contestants tonight. Thank you. A big thanks to all of you at home who helped us out with the votes and the questions. We will see you next time. Natalie, this was fun.
What an incredible evening. And to come down to the U.S. and Colombia, so exciting. Congratulations, Colombia, once
Travel
again.
to be provided in full for Miss Universe and a guest as she travels from the U.S. to Asia in business class. Serving more than 170 million customers each year, Delta and the Delta Connection carriers offer service to more than